Hi everyone, my name is Edwin. I'm the owner of the Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada. So before we start, let's talk about how we prep the hair in our start. So we use the MOISTREPAIR Shampoo and the MOISTREPAIR Conditioner. I'm also going to be using the MOISTREPAIR Leave-In. So the haircut is going to be one length and graduated through the top, and it's going to be disconnected through the underneath. I'm going to be cutting it with a razor to give a nice soft edgy feel to it. So what we've done is we've taken a section from the low recession that's going to come all the way around the head, dipping down to the occipital bone and coming up and matching at the same point on the other side. We've also done 4 sections on the top. We've worked from her natural side part to almost the center of the crown, and then we've corrected our line with a central vertical parting from the crown through the occipital bone, and we split that in 2 with a radial section from ear to ear and then back to where our side part is, giving us 2 sides at the front. Basically start at the corner of the eyebrow and drop down and just capping underneath the occipital bone. That gives it a very nice feminine shape. If it's too high, it looks too unbalanced and bowl-like on top. So we wanted to sort of filter right out. Folding razor, starting with the tip of the blade parallel to my part and create that nice soft line. So I've got her natural side part at the top, I've got my diagonal back parting, and then I've got my line where I'm going to be cutting. Okay, so now I'm going to drop down this section 2. We're going to continue diagonal back, and we're going to continue our line all the way through into the nape from our first 2 sections. So we're going to add some MOISTREPAIR to this side. Because I want to have length through here, I'm going to start this side at her cheekbone. You can see my guide there, so I can start. So, I'm going to blow dry with the THERMASHAPE Shaping Blow Dry spray. I'm going to use a Denman style brush, and I'm going to basically follow it in the shape of the haircut, blow drying both the underneath that's disconnected and the top. So what I'm going to do before I go any further is I'm going to take some of the THERMASHAPE 2-in-1 spray, and I'm just going to clean this up with the flat iron through the underneath. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to work in the back half, and we're going to reduce a lot of the hair back here, and we're going to try and leave something kind of 70s feeling in the front here. I'm going to take my texture shears so you can see that I've worked from eliminating my length and graduating up to my initial line that I cut with the razor. So it's this, the whole idea is that you're using that as the guide to the haircut. So I get this very nice head-hugging shape, and I haven't gone too high because I cut that line first, and then I've gone in and removed the excess length. And I'm going to take my flat iron, and I'm actually going to put a wave. Finish with a little bit of working spray. And there we have our finished look. Thank you.